Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to add a profile picture on your TradingView account from your mobile. And now let's dive right in. Now, in order to add a profile picture to your TradingView account, first you'll be required to download and install the TradingView app and log into it. With that being done, open up your TradingView app on your phone and you'll land over here on the watch list section of your TradingView app and tap on the menu button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the fifth one from the watch list. Tap on menu button with the three-line icon at the bottom right corner. And over here guys, you can see your profile name at the top of the screen. Tap on your profile name at the top of the screen and you land over here where you can see the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the pen icon and you can see the edit photo section over here. Tap on the edit photo section and either you'll be able to choose it from your photos and videos or from your gallery, or you can just shoot a photo or take a photo from a camera directly. And this is how you'll be able to add a photo to your profile on your TradingView account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.